be that. Now your dustbin be that. Now dustbin be that. Eh?
All right, my people, everywhere, good. Nigerians, why? Ladies and gentlemen, when Nigeria wins, Ghana wins. When Nigeria become good, Ghana become good by His Excellency, the President of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, and this is Nigeria. Nigeria, which has become the most useless continent in Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, see where Nigerians, they throw away their bola. See where Nigerians, they deposit their trash. In the main street of Lagos. Ladies and gentlemen, in that bola country, don't we have any leader, sensible leader in that country? That for main streets, that is where Nigerians, they carry their bolas from their house to go and deposit. This is Nigeria. And people are there, they are eating there, they are doing whatever there. Ladies and gentlemen, just look at this filthy, impunity, and dirty people. And yes, when Nigeria become baller, Ghana will become baller by our president. Yes, because we are allowing these dirty people in this country. This is how they are going to turn our country into. Everywhere, baller. Everywhere, baller. Everywhere, baller. And all these things is being done by Nigerians in this country, allegedly. Yes, they are the people. Just imagine, look at their country. Everywhere dirty. This is the whole capital. A whole capital. Look at how these people are moving trust everywhere. So that country, you people not get dustbin. You people, you don't have dustbin in that country. What kind of nonsense life is that? You are destroying the country, and you people are running from your country to other people's country and be shouting, Ghana is nice, Ghana is nice. If it is the same way we people are doing in this country, will you people get the opportunity and be carrying cameras around and say, Ghana is nice, Ghana is nice? Look, let me tell you, Nigeria, if you don't have any leaders in your country to tell you the truth, I, the next president, I will look at your face and tell you the truth that you people, you are dirty people. Okay. And nothing you fit tell me. You are dirty people. And it is not even nice to eat with you people. Are you people human beings or you are idiots? Just imagine. Just look at all these things. And you people, yes, a lot of Ghanaian landlords are complaining about this Nigerian attitude. No, all these things, you people got it from your country and you are exhibiting those useless characters here in Ghana. And Ghana landlords, they watch them. Look at their country. Everywhere, baller in that country. And you people are giving them houses. If you give them houses, now so they go do for the house. Yes, now so they do for the house. Nigerians are not human beings who they think properly. For the verse self. Anyway, I go by the name the Nyash president, and I still remain your number one president all over. So you say power to the Rangers. What?
Tell me they see this boy now. I shoot the shit for her. Abi? You don't shoot for her, Abi?
Oh yeah, pack him. As I see so pack him, I go cut you collapse. Pack him now, you the mad. I go cut you collapse. I said pack him now. Pack him. Take care, pack him. You don't run, Abi? You dey run, Abi? You dey run? You dey run, Abi? No worry, I go do something. I go do something. Idiot. Go shoot them, they go punish you.
CEO smash lot. I need answers. I don't hear well. CEO smash lot. I need answers. Why you people they sit outside? I dey wait. I sit down quiet. They wait. Why you people you dey sit outside? Is this not Nigeria again? CEO, come. I beg make na taxi you smash lot for me. Why you people una dey shit outside? I dey here. As I sit down quiet. I need answers now. You see, that's the main reason why today I wear yellow. Now yellow I wear because I want you for see this video. Come and explain now. Where are you people? You dey shit outside. Jesus. I dey quiet. CEO, I dey quiet. Come and explain. Why you people you dey shit outside? Yes. Anyway, I go by the name the Nyash president, and I still remain the #1 president all over the world. Still, we say power to the Nyash. One of them.
Nigerians, tell me why you people una dey sit outside. You people should explain to me why you people una dey sit for outside. Una no get toilet for that country. Nigerians, why you people una dey sit outside? So una no get toilet, simple toilet for that country. Una dey sit outside for public. Why you people una dey sit? CEO smash lot. Explain to me. I need 12 hours for you to explain to me why Nigerians una dey shit for market center. I said I need explanation to this. Why Nigerians, you people, una dey shit for market center. You people, una no get toilet. Una no get toilet. Recently, a whole governor was seen in the public commot bola small prickle outside. The piece outside. And today, you people, una dey shit around Nigeria. It be like in that country, nobody gets sense for that country. CEO, smash lot. This one I said I need explanation to this. Why you people una dey shit outside? Achoko, CEO, this one for answer. You for answer, and they say the place where this man dey shit. Now that side, now CEO smash lot. Now in favorite place where you dey shit. He said, they say CEO smash lot. Now your favorite spot where you dey shit. People they see you. Your own video self there with me. Where you dey look for that side. CEO, I need explanation. Why you people una dey shit for outside? Yes, task force. The yes, task force. I do. We need to buy Nigeria. We need to buy Nigeria. Yes, task force. So that we Ghanaians, we will go and rule that country. Nothing anybody can tell me. We need to buy that country, Nigeria, and rule that country. Even if they already own China. They own China. So China, come, Ghanaians, we will give you that check. Go and cash that money so that we will take over Nigeria. In fact, Ghanaians, we need to buy Nigeria because it's looking as if everybody for that country is not mad. There's also madness people they do for that country. We need to buy Nigeria. They sit for every place for Nigeria. Now, you reach the market center, they sit. You reach every place, every corner of Nigeria, they sit. And CEO, smart slot, now their leader. They sit outside. They sit outside. Even their governors, they urinate outside. They sit outside. Nothing anybody fit tell me. Nothing anybody fit tell me. As we dey talk am, we dey show evidence. CEO, I need 12 hours. Come and explain this video to me. Why you people una dey sit for outside? I don't quiet. I don't quiet. So now, you people una dey sit outside. Nigerians, una don't get toilet for that country. Una dey sit outside. As we dey talk am, we dey show evidence. As we dey talk, we dey show evidence. See you, smart lord. I said 12 hours. So just 12 hours. Come and explain to me why you people they sit outside. Come and explain to me why you people una they sit outside. Simple task. And we demand answer now. We demand answers now. Why Nigerians, you people prefer they sit outside? For their police station, they sit. For their hospital, they sit. For their banks, they sit. For their market, every place now shit full Nigeria. Shit full Nigeria, they sit outside. People, Ghanaians come on. Everybody come on. People come on. You come. Nigerians, they sit outside. Nigeria. They sit outside. They sit outside. The bola-birds, they sit outside. They don't get toilet for that country. they sit outside. My brother, now so you now so Nigeria content, they sit outside. This matter, I swear to God. See you, smart slot. I said 12 hours. We need explanation why Nigerians una not get toilet for that country. Why you people una not get toilet for that country? Where you people they sit outside? I don't quiet. Why you people una they sit outside? Anyway, I go by the name the Nyash president. And I still continue to remain the #1 president all over the world. Still, we say power to the Nyash. See you, why Nigeria, you people, una they sit outside.
Send yen sa so mu. Yinu, ude yini pie. And yen sa so mu yini pie. I don't know sir. Yini pie. Oh che yini pie. Yinu pie. Amo yesa. Me si yini pie. Yini to de fane to abontin obi ehun. Fane to abontin. Maintain talk we mu kakra ne boy. Eja mo ye mom nuane wo fie o de bia obechi wom. If what then I say. Hey, bakukura ne sawo na chi no. Tese do dwane yempo no.
All right. My people. Everywhere good. They say every day for the thief man, one day for the owner. Ladies and gentlemen, Wonder Agbalanyo, who is from the Volta region of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, Wonder like cat meat well. So, Wonder go thief someone cat. And per history, you know, Volta people, they like cat meat well. So, Wonder was caught with the cat in the sack. Ladies and gentlemen, they asked Wonder Agbalanyo, how come you can't thief the cat from the house? Wonder said, as he was passing, And then the cat now call him. They have nickname. Where the cat shout, Hododio. He respond, oh, yeah. The cat now run, enter the sack and tie it and say, Wonder, Agbalanyo, take me home. Wonder, Agbalanyo, take me home. And he decided that he's taking the cat home. There, the owner just came out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is confession of Wonder, Agbalanyo. Anyway, this is voter news. I go by the name Inya's president, and I continue to be the #1 president all over the world. Still, we say power to the Nyash. One them. Wonder, Agbalanyo, take me home. Wonder, Agbalanyo, take me home. One them.